Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address Chintan Shivir of Home Ministers of States via video conferencing. Meghalaya government signs MOA with NEEPCO for 50 megawatt Wa Umyam Stage 1 and 100 megawatt Wa Umyam Stage 2 hydroelectric projects. Meghalaya Chief Minister inspects Shillong Government College of Engineering and the cancer wing of Shillong Civil Hospital. And Meghalaya government is preparing the draft ordinance to repeal Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, says State Taxation Minister James Sangma. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address Chintan Shivir of Home Ministers of States on Friday at around 10:30 a.m. via video conferencing. The two-day Chintan Shivir will be held at Surajkund in Haryana from tomorrow. Home Secretaries and Director Generals of Police of the states and Director Generals of Central Armed Police Forces and Central Police Organizations will also attend the Chintan Shivir. The Meghalaya government has signed a memorandum of agreement for the 50 megawatt Wa Umyam Stage 1 and 100 megawatt Wa Umyam Stage 2 hydroelectric projects with NEEPCO. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Song, also the Power Minister, said the state has been receiving free power from the Kopili HEP located on the Assam-Meghalaya border since 1984. After the two projects in the Wa Umyam Basin are commissioned, the state will receive an overall of 13% of free power from all three. The power received would be worth Rs 65 crore annually, out of which 2 to 3% would be utilized for local area development, apart from other sectors such as education, health and entrepreneurial opportunities around the project areas.
Not be a mere signing of agreement. We need to translate it into reality. Please, I request on behalf of the state government. And very soon, let me just tell you, few more private investors whom we already entered an agreement, we are going to review it. Need be, if need be, we are going to cancel and scrap down. You know, we have the potentiality of hydro project in the state of Meghalaya is not less roughly about 3,000 megawatt, and out of which we are able to tap it, not even 450 megawatt. Potentiality we have.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday inspected the Shillong Government College of Engineering and the cancer wing of the Shillong Civil Hospital. Talking to newsmen after his visit, the Chief Minister said he was happy with the overall progress and is hopeful that cancer wing of Shillong Civil Hospital should be fully functional by the first or second week of December.
The new equipments will take some more time to come because it's being done through a different process. But in the meantime, at least the facilities, other facilities, the different wards for female and male wards and the daycare wards, they will be ready, and hence it will be ready to be used while we can still continue using the machines that were there earlier till the new machines come. So we're happy to see that it's progressing fast, and we should be able to make it fully 100% functional by the first week or second week of December.
State Taxation Minister James Sangma on Wednesday informed that the state government is in the process of preparing the draft ordinance for the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. Sangma said they are doing due diligence, as once the act is prepared, or rather repealed, once the act is repealed, they do not want any kind of legal wranglings or hassles, and therefore they are ensuring that everything is done in a very organized and systematic manner.
So we are making sure that we do everything in a very, very organized and systematic manner. After I have discussed this matter with my senior colleagues and also with the Honorable CM, I have initiated the process also, and today the department is in the process of preparing the draft ordinance for the repeal of the Meghalaya Gaming Act. So this is the process. Whenever assembly session is not there, then to enact any law, or for that matter in this case to repeal an existing law, it has to take the route of an ordinance. So that's the process that we have initiated, and the process is ongoing as we speak.
With an aim to improving the livelihood and encouraging entrepreneurial qualities of fish farmers of the state, the Department of Fisheries organized the 6th State Aquafest on Wednesday at State Central Library premises. Talking to media person, Secretary Fisheries Department S.C. Sadhu said that the Aquafest was being organized by the Fisheries Department with an objective to encourage the fish farmers of the state and provide them the opportunity to sell their produce, while adding that this will facilitate interaction with various entrepreneurs. Sadhu added that this will also update the fish farmers with the latest technology so that they will improve their production and get better price for their produce in the long run.
This government has taken initiative, particularly earlier we had this Meghalaya State Aquaculture Mission 1.0. Now we are running 2.0 with the main objective of making Meghalaya self-sufficient in terms of fish production. You know that substantial requirement of our fish is being met from imports from other states. So we want to reduce the dependence on other states so that Meghalaya, as we have enough water bodies and enough entrepreneurs and skilled fish farmers, so that we should reduce our dependency on other states, so that we can have our own consumption, and also that whatever money which was going for outside to purchase fish will be in our state, and our farmers, fish farmers in general, will be benefited.
3 arm wrestlers from Meghalaya who won gold and 2 bronze medals respectively in the recently concluded 43rd World Arm Wrestling Championship 2022 in Antalya, Turkey, received a warm reception on Wednesday on arrival to the state. The winners include Margaret Pathau from Umsning, who won gold in 69 kg women's category. Angel Mary Milliam Umlong won the bronze in the same category, while Alexander Lingdor from Jaintia Hills won bronze medal in the 80 kg category for men. Various civil society groups and traditional bodies felicitated them for their feat. Ireland clinched a win by 5 runs over England under the Duckworth-Lewis method in the T20 World Cup after rain played spoilsport at Melbourne Cricket Ground. Ireland set a target of 158 and England stumbled to 105 for 5 before the rain started at the MCG. Andrew Burl-Burney was adjudged player of the match for his knock. Immersion of idols of goddess Kali on Wednesday marked the culmination of Kali Puja. However, in view of the environment, the idols were left at the banks of Waomkra and not dipped in the river. According to Shillong Central Puja Committee, the idols will be later disposed of at the designated place by the Shillong Municipal Corporation. The immersion rituals were carried on with fanfare. And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 18.8 degrees Celsius, the minimum 11.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 89%, while that in the evening rose by 2% to 91%. The forecast: light rain is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Prime Minister Modi to address Chintan Shivir of Home Ministers of States via video conferencing. Meghalaya government signs MOA with NEEPCO for 50 megawatt Wa Umyam Stage 1 and 100 megawatt Wa Umyam Stage 2 hydroelectric projects. Meghalaya Chief Minister inspects Shillong Government College of Engineering and the cancer wing of the Shillong Civil Hospital. Meghalaya government is preparing the draft ordinance to repeal Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, says State Taxation Minister James Sangma. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.